Today is November 17. I will share Dropi daily combo cards of today. At first click legal and search first card. I will select first card smart contact legal templates. Now click and update. First card update complete. I will go to innovate and search second card. I will select second card cross-chain asset swaps. Now click and update. Second card update complete. I will go to peers and search third card. I will select third card podcast serials. Now click and upgrade. Third card update complete. Now I will click on the claim price.